In hairdressing, the colour wheel helps us understand how pigments behave when mixed together and help colourists calculate their formulas. The wheel is divided into three main groups: primary colours, secondary colours and tertiary colours. There are three primary colours: red, blue and yellow. These are foundational colours that cannot be created by mixing with other colours. Every hair colour formula is ultimately built from these three primary pigments. Mixing two primary colours produces our secondary colours. When we intermix red and yellow, we create orange. When we intermix yellow and blue, that creates green. And when we intermix blue and red, we create violet. Understanding these relationships help us predict how colours interact when formulating. Complementary colours sit opposite each other on the colour wheel and neutralise one another. Yellow is neutralised by violet, orange is neutralised by blue, and red is neutralised by green. Whenever you need to remove an unwanted tone, look directly across from the wheel to find the neutralising colour. Always consider three factors when formulating: the client's natural depth, the pigment that's being exposed, and the client's desired result. By considering these 3 points, you achieve precise, predictable colour results. The colour wheel is one of the most powerful tools a hairdresser can master. Understanding how colours interact gives you full control over toning, formulating, correcting, and enhancing your client's colour. Practice using the colour wheel during every consultation and formulation so your colour results will become more consistent, predictable, and creative.